Hello, good morning students of standard 8. In this video we will learn what are the adverbs and their uses. Okay, adverbs are the word or phrases that modify the meaning of an adjective or a verb or any other adverb expressing the manners manners placing their expressing manners, place or degrees. Okay, so place, times or degrees of the verb or adjective or adverb we will see. So these are the adverb. Okay, see some examples are written here. Mother Teresa fought bravely against sickness. So fought is a verb. Now how did he fought? She fought bravely. So in this sentence the word bravely is an adverb. Okay, that describe that how Mother Teresa fought. So the fought is a verb. Similarly, beggar was very hungry. Beggar was very hungry. The beggar was verb. Very here is an adverb that tells how the beggar has. Right. So the word hungry is an adjective. We know that. Virat Kohli bat quite well. Well is a verb. Right? No. Yes, well is a adjective. Bats is a verb here. So quite is adverb that tells how well Virat Kohli bats. So the word well is an adverb. Word well is an adverb. So these are the adverb and like this we use. Okay. Now adverb phrases. What are adverb phrases? An adverb may be single word, single words such as quickly, here or yesterday. And however, adverb can be phrases. Some made up prepositions made up with infinitives, etc. Okay. See some examples given with the prepositions. The hunter shot the tiger with a gun. Right? We must finish our project before the holidays. I am saving money to buy a car. To buy a car, that is infinitive. So with a gun, before the holidays, these are the prepositions, right? And that to buy a car, to color the picture, these are the infinitives. So in this way we use. Now we will see what are the kinds of adverb. Kinds of adverbs are, first one is simple adverbs, interrogative adverbs, relative adverbs. Okay. And then what? Then we will see first the simple adverb, right? Simple adverb expresses the time, okay? Time, place, frequency, okay? Manner, degrees or quantities, right? Or any affirmations, then negations, right? Negations. Now adverb of the time we will see here. Adverb of the time tells us the time of action and answer the question. Like he came to me yesterday. Yesterday he came to me. Yesterday is a time. It is expressing time, right? Now I am learning grammar. So right now, that is also a time. Now means whatever time. So now, he met me last night. Last night is also a adverb. Okay, the time, expressing time. So this is the time adverb. Adverb of place. Adverb of place tell us the place of the action and answer the question. Where? right? My dog sleeps outside means where does your dog sleep? The cat sleeps there or inside, whatever. So there, where? The answer is there. Okay, a particular place. You can identify. Adverb of the frequency. Now, adverb of frequency tells us the frequency that takes place and answer the question. We say how often. Meena takes dance classes daily. That means frequency, daily. Okay. He always speaks truth. Always also a frequency, adverb, etc. Now adverb of manner. The adverb tells about the manner in which actions takes place and answer the questions how. She sings sweetly. The soldier fought bravely. Right. So question is she sings sweetly. How does she sing? How the soldiers fought bravely as she sings sweetly. Right. So these are the manners or adverb of manner we say. Next come to the adverb of degree or quantity. Degree or quantity we know that extent of adjective or adverb which they modify and answer the questions how much, right? So these are the keyword that you need to remember here. In this word, this is how much. It stands for what? Adverb of the degree. Like my friends talk a lot. Here a lot, right? And Lata still sings pretty well, right? So this you need to remember. Next come to the adverb of affirmation. These adverbs convey affirmative feelings. Examples, he will surely stand fast in the class. That surely stand fast in the class. So this surely word, right? This surely word is adverb. Next questions, we are definitely leaving tomorrow for Mumbai. We are definitely moving, definitely the adverb of affirmation this is. Okay. Feelings, affirmative feelings here. The adverb conveys the affirmative feelings. Okay. This is adverb of negation. Adverb of negation says these adverbs convey the negative feelings. Negative feelings, no longer, never. Okay. She no longer need my help. I have never seen him sad, etc. So this is interrogative. We know that as WH words, why, where, when, how. Okay. Why are you late? That is what? There is a answer come in cause. Where is your father? Father, that means where. It indicates a place, right? So in this way. Next come to the when did you sleep last night? That is a time. Okay. And how do you learn your lesson? The manner, right? That is manner. How is stands for here manner, right? This is all about. Next, relative adverbs. Relative adverbs like relative pronouns connect clauses and they are same as interrogative adverbs. Same word. Also contains same word WH word that is why, where, when and how, etc. See, I do not know the reason why she committed suicide. Relative adverbs, right? That means the sentence has relationship. One is a main clause, another is a relative clause. So why word connecting the clauses? She committed suicide. Next, she entered the room where they were sitting. Spring is the season when flowers blooms. And tell me how you saved so much money. So comparison of adverbs. Adverbs like adjective have 3 degree of comparison. So that is 3 degree of comparisons. We say that is positive, comparative, superlative. We will know that. Like adverbs like some are comparison with some words are being comparison with er and est. Soon, sooner, soonest. Low, lower, lowest. How, higher, high, higher, highest. Early, earlier, earliest. Okay, some which when the word ending with in and ly except early, they are compared with the more and most before the word, like happily, more happily, most happily, soft, more softly, most softly, clearly, more clearly, most clearly, irregular adverb with use of different words, badly, odds, ost. Irregular word these are, okay. Irregular adverbs, like we have irregular verb, put. Similarly, far, further, farthest, little, less, least, well, good, better, well, or good, that is better, best, right? Similarly, cheap, cheaper, cheapest, cheaply, most cheaply, okay. In this way, you can follow the exercise of this chapter, the adverb, okay. The train arrived late yesterday. What is this? Find out the adverb in the following sentence, write against each sentence the kind of adverb used in. Okay. Yesterday is the adverb of time. Very honest, manner, right? Or sorry, very honest, we can say the degree, right? Why she is sad, interrogative, etc. etc. Okay. So see the video and try to do the exercise. Question answer will be sent soon. Thank you. Have a good day.